Hey friends and fans, we're vlogging again.
Happy Sunday.
Patrick just showed me how to use our Nespresso machine.
Don't spill it.
Here we go, mixing the crema, folding it in. So we have some Christmas shopping to do today. Well, I do. Are you coming with me?
No.
Okay, I'm going to do... Okay, why does my neck look like that? I have to buy Patrick's presents, but don't tell him. Taste test. Tasty.
What are the notes?
Notes? What does that mean?
Flavor notes.
Dark.
It's not. It's Bianco General.
Patrick did decide to come shopping with me, even though most of the things I'm buying are for him.
We're fucking stuck.
Yeah, we're not moving. Okay, so we're going to get Pat's car washed, and then we're going right onto the mall. Don't tell Patrick. Well, I can't tell you what I'm getting him, because he watches these. You'll see on my Christmas vlog. You might see some familiar faces later on in the day, or possibly tomorrow, but stay tuned. So I have to sign my lease today. My realtor keeps yelling at me that we need to sign the lease or they're gonna put our apartment back on the market and not give it to us.
We're also getting gasoline the proper way.
Here's some of my old hangs, Chester Marshalls.
Can this person get the fuck out of the way?
Car wash montage.
You want me to do it?
I often forget that we live in farm country. Patrick made us take a detour for frozen cookies. We're literally never making it to the mall. So many dogs. Is that a chicken? So beautiful. Look at all the
Look at the
people
trees.
out and about.
Look at the reeds.
I've made it. Okay, me and Pat have been reunited. I have some things for him, but it's disguised as Whole Foods groceries, so don't tell him.
Don't tell me.
Okay, it's 4 hours later and my Christmas shopping is basically done. Time for dinner, tree lights, and then possibly some special guests. Okay, so Patrick forgot to get the thing for our dad. He's going back in now. I will update you guys on what I got him, but he's gonna watch this tomorrow, so I can't. I'm gonna film him opening them. Tomorrow is gonna be a really big day for our vlog. You'll see. I forgot to mention this here is the parking lot where Patrick's favorite YouTube video, Crazy Lady Parks Her Car, I think it's called, takes place. I'm gonna try to link it here maybe. That girl is the one teenage drama queen. That girl was me. Testing out the Christmas tree lights. Whoa.
Oh, he's vlogging. He's vlogging.
Okay guys, I'm making dinner. Look at him. What a chef.
I can't wait to hear this song.
That's so sad.
I just signed my lease. Tree reveal. Wow. We are finally en route to the last stop of the day, and I'm heading to meet up with some familiars, some some vlogger, you might say. Finally back in my own car, my Golf. 'Tis the dance season. I wish I knew how to roll my pants better. Hey vlog, I'm here with a special guest. Okay, put your final guesses in, write them down, because it is Emily and Madison and Emily's high school friends.
I know, we got Matt, we got Molly, we got Emily, we got Madison.
Make sure to watch everyone else's vlog to see the same scene from all the perspectives.
I'm gonna send you the grid.
Also? Oh my god, I gotta get in on the vlog.
Guys, these vibes are really cute, but it is hailing a little bit on us. We'll let you know
If we survive.
how it goes. Will we survive?
This right now, we survived.